Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be showing you guys a volcano snow eruption. The materials you need are a dropper and 20 mLs in a measuring cup. I got some extra if I need some. And measuring spoons and the volcano dormant and citric acid, baking soda, and absorbent resin. So first you're going to take the measuring spoons. You see it? The one with the 5 mLs you're going to use. You're going to first put citric acid. In the middle here. And you're going to close it. And then you're going to put baking soda. You might have saw me use baking soda in my last one and my volcano one, which was red fruit coloring and it all exploded. And then some absorbent resin after baking soda. I'm going to take 1 drop of water in our dropper. You're going to put it into the middle of the volcano. It just looks like a volcano, but it's really not. You're going to wait. 1 drop is enough. You're just going to wait. And you're going to take another one. And put it slowly in. So it can get more. You see it? Bye!